Hey Sean, it's Max from Anchor 23 Marketing. Thanks for speaking on the phone with me earlier. This is your complimentary website audit that I promised you. Just kind of showing you what I do, how I do it, and how we can bring you more business. All that I ask in return is just some feedback. Let me know what your thoughts were on this, or if you have any questions about it, just email me back or give me a call. That would be greatly appreciated. So let's jump right in. The general gist here is to rank in Google for select key terms that consumers are searching for. And in particular, we would want you to rank in this map pack as well as number one organically here. And I picked these select key terms because they're your niche and area relevant, but also it's getting 150 searches every month. Okay, so that's 150 people that are searching for the service that you offer. And so I'm going to show you three main ways that we can utilize your website in order to rank to the top today. Okay. And I do want to point out, I really like that you have your contact information right here and it's click to call. That makes it a lot easier for people to just, click on one of these buttons to get into contact with you. And that's exactly what we want. I will say, however, your website SSL is not secure. And so this kind of is a big reason why you're not ranking at the moment, and it kind of just wards off people from entering in personal information, as well as it's not verified in Google's eyes, so they kind of see it as like a scammy type of thing. But that's a really easy fix that we'd be able to fix on your website. So the main three ways that we can rank in Google, it all starts with your content on your website. So if we copy everything that you see here, including what these images are saved as, and we throw it into this word counter, it shows me that you have 740 words on your homepage, and that's really good. I really like the way that your website looks. However, Google does want about 1,500 to 2,000 words on their homepage, and they want it to be relevant to these search terms. So they would want these search terms actually on your homepage to make you more relevant to those searches that people are searching for. Okay. The second thing is backlinks. And basically all a backlink is one website linking to your website, which passes power and relevance. Okay. And so if we take your URL here and throw it into Ahrefs again, it shows me the back end of your website. And it looks like you have 4 backlinks coming from 3 different people, but these are all like no follow backlinks. So it's not actually passing any power to your website. So there's no data in Google's eyes for your health of your website. Okay. And that was my phone. I said Google and it thought I was talking to it. Sorry about that. So the third and final thing that I'm going to be showing you today are citations. And that has everything to do with this Google Map Pack. So if we use your competition as the example today, they have their name, address, and phone number placed on like 40 different various directories throughout the web. And that makes their Google My Business page more verified. And that's why it's showing up on the home page for these select key terms. Okay. So if we went in and got, maybe 60 or 80 citations with your business name, business address, and business phone number, and we built out your GMB correctly, then it could start showing up organically here on this Google Maps. And that's very important because a lot of people are using their mobile phones nowadays to search for these. And this is what's going to be coming up. And then they're also more than it's about 65% more likely that they click on one of these 3 instead of the organic ones. Because it's not just more verified in Google's eyes, but it's also more verified in the consumer's eyes. So that was the 3 main things that we could do to help boost your business by utilizing your website. I hope that this was informative and helpful. Again, all that I ask is for some feedback. Just let me know what your thoughts were on this, either via email or a phone call or text. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me too. So thanks for your time, Sean. Bye.